Zach Pakoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 14-3 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 14-3 work together. In the last video, I read over the 14-3 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 14-3 work together, where we will be analyzing and recording an adjustment for merchandise inventory. So the instructions say, use the worksheet from Work Together 14-2. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Number 1. From a physical count of merchandise inventory, the December 31st balance is determined to be $234,904.20. Analyze the merchandise inventory adjustment and enter the adjustment on the worksheet. Label the adjustment D and save your work to complete Work Together 14-4. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 14-3 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 14-3 work together, in which we will be analyzing and recording an adjustment for merchandise inventory. Alright, so that is the end of the 14-3 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 14-4 text. Okay? Thank you.